Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Friday, September 8th. This video is actually supposed to be for Thursday, September 7th, after market close, but because of opening NFL season, I am doing this video late. Anyways, doesn't really matter. I don't do weekend videos, so this will be good. Anyways, I mentioned the inside candle yesterday. I said we lost the upper Bollinger Band on the daily, and that meant consolidation. And we just got 1 day of consolidation. And I said, let's watch the inside candle and how it breaks. And this is a really good sign for bulls because we broke the inside candle and we broke the mother candle. We closed above the mother candle, and it's on increasing bull volume. So you see the decreasing bear volume on consolidation, and then boom, broke above it, closed above the inside candle, closed above the mother candle on increasing bull volume. And the weekly clearly still holding that, looks better on the weekly candle than earlier in the week. It's a continuation. I said that we are getting that upper Bollinger Band here, and looking forward to riding it. And the daily is definitely overbought on the RSI, but there is no sign of reversal on the longer term charts. And I think there was a comment about asking me about Bollinger Bands. So the way I look at Bollinger Bands more than anything is that when Bollinger Bands get tighter like this, that tells me that we're going to be in range. But once I see a Bollinger Bands open up, I'm expecting volatility whenever I see Bollinger Bands opening up. And the way I'm looking is whatever trend there is. And because of that, because of the Bollinger Bands opening up and we broke above these recent highs and broke above that 1300 area, I'm looking bullish with the weekly upper Bollinger Band opening up once I see it opening up. And of course, that inside candle that we talked about last week before last, and we had that bull break of the inside candle on increasing bull volume and continuation, has me looking up with the upper Bollinger Bands opening up. And whenever you see Bollinger Bands opening up, one thing you can look for is that when Bollinger Bands open up, that's expecting volatility. Whether it's a bear move or bull move, it doesn't matter. You just expect volatility. And whenever you see it open up and expecting volatility, you want to play the trend. So with the weekly Bollinger Bands opening up, we see it riding the upper Bollinger Band after gaining it. And again, what I love about the long-term gold chart is the monthly. I mentioned it already that the 20 EMA, the 24 and 8 EMAs are crossing over this 50 EMA, held, once it got above that 50 EMA, again, held all the back tests so far and moving higher on increasing bull volume here on last month's bull volume candle. And the reason I really like that is because of that 4, 8 EMA and that 20 EMA cross on that 50 EMA. The 50 EMA is a yellow line here, and you can see the 20 EMA, which represents the middle Bollinger Band, same thing. 4 and 8 EMAs are crossing above. It's all bulls right now. And why I really like that is the last time we had that 20 EMA cross above that 50 EMA on the monthly for long-term trend is, again, I said it's back in 2002 when we had the 20 EMA cross right here, and that goes back to 2002. And if you look at the monthly chart, we have to go back. We have to base it on past experience, even though I can't go much further back than this. The last time we've had that 20 EMA cross that 50 EMA, look at the upside we've had. And so if you look at the longer term charts, whoops. If you look at the longer term charts, we had this huge bull move here, just healthy consolidation last few years. And we're breaking out that consolidation bullish. And so what I would like to see is on the monthly chart is a break of this high here, recent high of 1377.50 that I've mentioned. So looking great for bulls, honestly, in the long term for gold. And if we look at the miners, Not looking at the monthly chart, but same thing on the monthly chart. We're getting that 20 MA over that 50 MA. Last time GDX had that, we had some solid upside, but GDX hasn't even been around long enough to really chart the monthly. So keep that in mind. But anyways, let's go to the weekly on GDX. And I've mentioned this so many times in my past videos. I said that I was waiting for this break of the high of 2386. And once we got that, clear bullish signal for me, breaking to a higher high on the weekly. Nice increasing bull volume on that weekly candle that broke above this high of 2386. And now we're just riding the weekly upper Bollinger Band on GDX, just like gold. And like I've mentioned, the Bollinger Bands. So you can see after this volatility, see it in a range, and you can see the Bollinger Band squeezing. And again, when you see that Bollinger Band tightening up, that to me shows me we're not expecting that much volatility on this particular time frame, which is the weekly. And seeing this upper Bollinger Band open up like this, that tells me we're going to see some volatility. And the way I'm looking at it is because of the bull break of setting a higher high on the weekly, if there's going to be expected volatility, I'm expecting that volatility and move to be to the upside on this weekly chart. So miners looking great, gold looking great. The daily is definitely overbought on gold, but there is no sign of reversal yet. And what I would look for on gold reversal is I would start looking at this weekly chart. And so with Bollinger Bands opening up here like this, once we lose that upper Bollinger Band on the weekly, then you're going to look for some consolidation. So prime example, the last time we got that Bollinger Band, we lost it, had some consolidation, gained it, lost it again, consolidated, and we consolidated in a range for some time here on the weekly chart before moving higher. So once we lose that upper Bollinger Band, look for some lower volatility. Look for a move in a certain type of range where it's not going to really break bull or bear. It's going to just trade in a range, and we're going to start looking at smaller time frame charts, whether it's the daily, the hourly, to trade that range. But for now, bulls are in full control as long as this upper Bollinger Band on the weekly is support. And with it opening up after this tightening pattern here, it is looking awesome for the bulls on gold. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow, and look for that next resistance break at 1377.50.